United Club Business Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If your business travel includes frequent United flights, this card could completely change your airport experience. You get full United Club Lounge membership, free checked bags, priority boarding, and bonus miles on spending. The annual fee is high, but the lounge membership alone can be worth more than the fee if you travel often. For frequent United business flyers, this card is absolutely worth it. Verdict: worth it for heavy United travelers.